Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another freaking video. What's up, what's up, what's up? Y'all, I don't know if I love my hair or this makeup sis didn't come to play. She came to slay, okay? This video is all about my September Boxy Charm box. I just opened it. I know it's like almost the end of the month, but I just opened it and most of my products were focused on the eyes. Okay. If you want to see how I achieve this beautiful eyeshadow look, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and comment down below and make sure you share this video with your friends. Just join that flower gang. You're not going to regret it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is a soul blossoming in nature. And that soul is fabulous, honey. Okay, flowers, hey. So we're starting with our $1 billion brows eyebrow pencil, and this is kind of like the type of tip that has like the 3 little pieces, and it's supposed to, I guess, look like you're microblading. Yeah. I can't necessarily say I slayed these because I wasn't used to them. They're different. They're odd. They're different. They're odd. They're different. They're different. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned up those brows, and now I'm priming my eyelid. And then I'm just going to, of course, buff that out like I always do. If you guys watch my videos, you've seen that. This is my Voss Essentials palette and my MODA 5-piece brush set for the eyes. So I'm just going in with that orange color, and I'm just putting that in my crease. Y'all, there's one product that I did get that's not in this video, which is the Dr. Brandt sleep recovery mask. Here is the brown shade, and I am putting that in my deeper crease. Yeah, I used the Dr. Brandt sleep recovery mask, but I forgot to film me using it and then waking up and showing you my skin. So I was like, eh. So now I'm going in with that black color that's in that Voss Essentials palette, and I'm putting that over the brown just to deepen the crease and add some more depth. I'm a New Yorker, so I'll be ready to be like depth. Like, never mind. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. This is something that you've seen me do before. When you have hooded eyes like mine, you want to make sure that you cut your crease above your actual crease so that you can see the eye color when your eye is open. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just doing like a basic, simple, you know, crease. Nothing special about it, you know, just a crease. That's it. Just a crease. So after that, I'm going in with that black again, and I'm just going to, you know, add that color to the outer V of my eye, just to blend everything together. And now I'm going in with that emerald green shimmer color that's in that palette, and I'm just putting that in the center of my lid. Now I'm going in with the gold, and I'm just putting that on the inner corner of my lid and making sure that I blend it in to that brown. Now I'm using that liner brush from the MODA set, and I'm just going in with the black shadow. Then I'm just gonna, after I'm done with the black line, I'm going to go in with that same brown that I used, and I'm just going to buff that brown out just a little bit. I want the concentration to kind of be on the eyes, but I also want it to be a little bit smoked out, but not too much. And this, I think, is the color Sand, and I'm putting that in my inner corner. So this is the, who eyeliner was this? Henry, don't give me the lion. It'll be down in the description box. But this is also another product that came in my box. Honestly, most products that you see me using right now came into my box. So I said my box is really focused on the eyes today, which is kind of why I sort of kind of maybe forgot to film the Dr. Brandt sleeping mask. So it'll still be listed down below. So this is my Better Than Sex mascara, my favorite mascaras for me to use. It's just so easy. I have little eyelashes. So this is the final look, guys. We are all done. I went ahead and did my face, took my hair down. Actually, I've been posting pictures and videos with this hair on Instagram, and I will definitely create a tutorial for you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.